Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go over some of my favorite, most essential beauty items, and they're not necessarily makeup products, but they're all beauty related. So if you want to find out what they are, just keep watching and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so they're in no particular order, but these are the things that I seriously can't live without. It's kind of sad, but I need these. I need for each a different reason. So first off, my Clarisonic. I always wanted one, and I was kind of cheap, and I didn't really know if I should splurge. I have pretty sensitive skin, and I have a lot of redness. But I do like the one that I bought is for oily skin. It's a more firm bristle, and it's my favorite one. I've tried them all. I really like it. I've heard a lot of people say that when they start using it, it breaks them out right away, and so they just stop using it. That didn't happen for me, but that usually happens whenever you switch up your skincare routine. I find that happens. It just is the products taking all the crap out of your pores, so I find it normal. And if you just kind of push past that phase, it'll go away. But I do absolutely love my Clarisonic. I take it everywhere. I use it at least once a day, sometimes twice a day, and yeah. It's definitely, I would say, of all these products, it is probably my number one. My second is, these are like the Garnier face wipes. They're probably, of all the ones I've tried, these ones here are my favorite. I like wipes. I've tried everything. I've tried any type of cleanser to wash off your makeup, oils, waters, anything. I've tried the Take the Day Off Clinique makeup balm. I'm using that right now. I like it, but I like these better. I feel like it just gets right in there and gets everything off. My whole life I've been absolutely huge about you have to take your makeup off at the end of the day. And so these are really handy for people that are a little bit lazy or might forget, or so I use these, and then I actually wash my face after with my Clarisonic and a cleansing wash. But these will get a lot of your makeup off, and they're really good for around your eye area. A lot of people will just kind of tug at their eye area, and it makes your eyelashes fall out and all that bad things. So these are nice and gentle. They don't burn your eyes. I have really sensitive eyes, so I love them and I recommend them. The other thing I absolutely love, it's old school, Biore strips. I prefer the white ones over the charcoal ones. I just feel like they get more out. But I have pretty clear skin usually, but I do get a lot of blackheads in my nose. So I like to use these a couple times a week, and I have a face steamer. I'll steam my face, or I'll have a hot bath, and then I'll put one of these on, and the shit that comes out is disgusting, which is exactly what they're for, and so I highly recommend. Another thing I'm obsessed with, and I've tried like every lip balm, whether it's drugstore, high end, like all that stuff, and I don't care what anyone says, this is better than anything. It's the Blistex. It's the blue formula. It's medicated. I'll put this on pretty much anything. Like, I put on my lips if I have a headache. I'll put on my temples. If I have really dry, chapped skin, I'll put on my elbows. I use this for anything, and it fucking works. I like to, at the end of the night, use a lip scrub. You can use any lip scrub, you can make your own, and then put this on. It just like really soaks in. I live in a really cold climate, and I think chapped lips are disgusting and unnecessary. Buy some of this. I seriously have one in my vehicle, in my purse, in my bathroom, in my drawer at work. I take it everywhere, and I love them. So that's another one. Another kind of old school product, and they're kind of hard to find. I don't know where, I think I ordered these online from somewhere. They used to be at Sephora, but I love big lips, as you can tell. I'm all about big lips, and I love gloss. I love shiny lips. And these are the lip venoms. I think they were one of the first lip plumpers to come out, and I feel like they're the best. they tingle. There's a slight burning, not as bad as some. Like, it's not painful, but it definitely, you can feel that your lips are plumper. I've tried all the colors. There's a purple, a pink, and then the original. I accidentally ordered the purple and I really like it. It's just that I think it's like an iridescent. I love it. So I take these everywhere and just kind of throw it on and love them. Another thing that I can't live without is my Shu Umaira eyelash curler. I've purchased a few over the years. I've tried so many. I feel like this one fits my eyes the best, but I've heard other beauty girls talk about which their favorite is, and then I went out and bought them, and I think they're all crazy. I think this is the one. I love it. It seriously, my lashes are really straight, and it definitely gives a nice curl, and it's just the way it's shaped. Everything about it, it's the best. I promise you. So that's that. Another thing that I'm obsessed with, absolute essential, Tweezerman tweezers. I have like 50 different pairs. I have little ones, big ones, flat ones, skinny ones, all kinds. I love these. I don't carry a lot of makeup with me to do touch-ups in the day and stuff, which is kind of, I guess, a little bit weird, but I always have a pair of tweezers with me. I have to. They come in handy for so many things. So I think Tweezerman are the best tweezers. They last forever. They're super sharp. They can get anything. Love them. Another thing that's kind of random, my trusty old teasing comb. I love big hair. The bigger the better. Love, love, love. And this will get you there. I've tried every kind of teasing comb, the little teaser brushes, all the teasing products. I got it from Walmart. I think it's $2.50. I have about 1,000, and I'll continue to buy them because I love them. And I don't know which between the lip venom and this product is my favorite, but I am obsessed with Buxom, the Buxom lip glosses. They have 2 different formulas, and every year, like I have like 3 of these on the go at all times. Every year at Christmas time, and I think even right now at Sephora you can still get them. They come out with the little minis, and there's usually a set of, like, I want to say like 20. There's a lot, and you get a really good deal. And I have a hard time using up one lip product ever because I just like to change up my colors. So I love that they're mini, they're affordable, you get such a good deal. And I'm surprised more people don't talk about Buxom lip products. They are the best. I like to do a dark eye. I work in an office, so I can't obviously do that ever. So I kind of play it up in my on my channel, but I always find it doesn't matter if I'm like going to the gym or I have like, you know, crazy drag queen makeup, or you know, I'm just working in the office or whatever. It doesn't matter what look I have. I always feel like my go-to is always the Buxoms. They have like darker formulas, but they're so sheer that it won't actually like turn out like that on your lips, and I like that. It just gives like a wash of color. Yeah, I love them. I seriously have not tried one that I didn't like. And a lot of people, my personal favorite is called, they're all names of girls, which I think is so cute. My favorite is Sophia, and a lot of people like the, what's it called? White Russian. It's a little pale for me, but I still love it. But Dolly is a close second. And then there's Destiny. But like, seriously, I love them all. And they have like, you know, like winter type colors, fall type colors, like I showed you. They'll have, you know, something like this. This one's called Taylor. It's more, I like to pull this out for my spring looks. There's just something for everyone. Bunny, so pretty. So anyways, I'm obsessed with the Buxom lips, like, love them. And then, I don't know how many products I just showed you, but, so, we're just going to keep going and pretend it's 10. Another one that I absolutely love is the MAC Gel Liner. I really like, most days I will do a really, like a very neutral eye with a really thick black overdone dramatic wing. And this gets that bang on. it doesn't dry too fast, and it's not too wet. So it gives you time to kind of like, I'm not great at getting my wing perfect the first time. So it gives you time to kind of play with it and fix it up and touch it up. And then it sets and you're good to go. So freaking love these. I go through them so fast. Like I think I've had this like a couple months, but yeah, I really like these. And then another one, this one looks kind of gross. I have really weird eyebrows. They're very like the hair on them is long, even if I trim them, and I need to use brow gel every day to like kind of, you know, put them where they need to go. And I really like Benefit brow products and Anastasia Beverly Hills products. I really like them, but I really like to use the Maybelline Great Lash. It's like a clear mascara, I think, and I mean, it looks kind of gross right now, but I feel like this is the best. It's super cheap, and because it's clear, I obviously like a fake looking eyebrow, not so natural, but I don't like it to look like it's, you know, completely drawn on there. So I will just put this on, and then I'll take like a little bit of powder and, you know, kind of draw a little extra and fill in the blanks, I guess. But I love this. I've been using it since I was in grade 6, like, what's that, 13 years old or something? So a long time. Love it. And then a makeup product that I freaking love is my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Like, seriously, as you can tell, I don't usually use the lighter colors, but I love a heavy contour, as you can see. And the colors in here, I have a really hard time finding colors that I like that don't look, I don't know. I don't want to say too muddy because I do look a little muddy, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. I love them all. I'll use this one kind of to make it really dark at the back by my ear, and then the two lighter ones just to kind of bring it down. And I'll use it. I don't even touch bronzer anymore. I just use this shit like all year long, and I love it. So, and she's now come out with, this was like her original palette she released. She's now come out with ones that you can replace the pan. So that's awesome. But I need this. And then lastly, I have my favorite dry shampoo. I feel like these days, like for everybody, like whether you're going to the gym or you woke up late, or I'll even use the dry shampoo just to kind of give me a little more lift in my hair. I love it. I swear by it. And this is my favorite one. So anyways, those are my I must have products. I would love to hear in the comments below what you guys couldn't live without. I mean, I guess I could live without them, but I really wouldn't want to. So I'd love to hear what you guys think. And I really hope you liked the video. If you do, please give it a like. And if you want to leave a comment below of more video suggestions that you would like to see, let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.